Hello guys, today I will going to teach you how to make a food delivery website by using HTML and CSS with responsive layout for computer and phone. So let's dive into it by going into the nav we have created. First of all, we have defined nav by giving ID navbar dev with ID logo and image, and then we have created a UL with list with classes item and giving the basic features of an app bar. And then we have created a home section with ID home and home with title H primary class and welcome to my online meals, and by giving us some description about it. And at last we have given a button to it. Now let's see how, and its CSS. This is a normal CSS, part of CSS, and navigation bar, navbar display plus, align item center, position absolute, top 0 pixel, logo CSS. This CSS can be changed according to your image that you have using for your website logo. And navbar normal fonting with a basic hover effect of black to white color changing, display as plus, background with black and transparent, and list style none, and normal, that stuff. And for font we have added some changes to it by basically adding some changes to plus reaction column and normal font and padding changes, and for logo different margin and height, margin and width, and border radius as 50. For home section, these are the changes we have done in our CSS. And make sure that you have imported this for or font, otherwise this font will not work according for our website. So let's see how that section is looking. Okay, so you can see we have right here an image of our website, home, services, about us, contact us, welcome, then welcome to our online meals with our brief description and order now. And let's dive into our next part of our website or services by food catering, food bulk ordering, and food delivery like features. Now let's see how we have created it. First of all, we added a class name, services container, h1 class, h primary center or services, dev id services, dev class box with image of pizza heading and or text of description. image and then and similarly with the other two boxes and its CSS. Yeah, we have added a margin of 34 pixel, display LX, border 2 pixel, solid brown, margin 2 pixel, 55 pixel, padding, border radius, background, and services box and image, height, margin, and display. And these are the CSS for our client section. And let's go to our let's just change it to our next section, future reference. Yeah, yeah, we can include or some sponsor of this website like Facebook, Apple, Skype, Instagram, Microsoft, like companies, like for our project making. Like we have added a background image, their images, and our client heading. And for its CSS, you can go and take this, that CSS, and for our phones area, this part. And now let's see for creating a contactor page and footer of our website, which can include like that stuff. So let's see what we have concluded in our HTML. We have defined ID contact, H class, H primary class, center, contactors heading, dev with ID contact box, created some devs access by using label and input functions of basically adding a name, taking name of the user, logging into website, email ID and phone number, and also taking some feedback which he or she has in ours for ourselves, and at the rest we can add a footer that you can see right here. Right here. Yes. Yep. So let's see what we have included in our last part of video. Contact us with contact reason relative, contact before reason with 100% height and background is, contact box display plus justify content center and align element center and padding. कितना बोलूं, हट रही है मेरी मेरे अंदर से. Contact box input, contact box text box, width 100%, pad 5 0.5, and or utility classes, and for Oracle contact section and utility classes CSS. Now let's see how this was working as a responsive. Yes, let's see how this is. Like you can see right here, wait a second, for our mobile, and this is for our phone, mobile and laptop. In our website. Thank you for watching.